Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So gold flat as investors await US inflation report. This is the ongoing market sentiment. Gold prices are flat in early Asian trade as investors watch for the key US inflation report due Wednesday. Means CPI. Yes, we have CPI coming tomorrow and market is waiting for CPI. And you must be knowing, guys, before a major event like NFP, CPI, market doesn't go for a particular direction. Market usually stays in a range. Okay, and this is the chart of gold right now, and as we have been discussing, the range of gold is still intact. Means we have 2530 on the upside and 2470 on the downside, and we can expect that before CPI this range of gold will remain. Gold is sideways right now, so if gold breaks this range after CPI, that's a different story. But before CPI, we can expect that no matter market goes up or market goes down, the range of gold will remain. It means that if you're a swing trader, if you're a positional trader, then this is not the right time. Because if you're a swing trader, positional trader, okay, then you need a particular direction for the next couple of days and weeks. And here we can see that market is waiting for a news. So as a result, okay, you need to be on the back seat right now. And if you're looking for fresh position, then day trading or scalping is the best trading strategy for you. And if you are already having a buy or sell on gold right now, you can continue with your ongoing position. But as a swing trader, position trader, if you're looking for fresh position, then after CPI, you will get better opportunities or safer trading opportunities. But right now in this market condition, level to level trading is the best trading strategy. And my dear friends, we can see that I have drawn many lines here. Okay, though I prefer to keep my chart clean, but okay, my chart do not look clean at all. Sorry for the mess here. Let me explain one by one. Okay. So right now gold is trading around 2502. This is the current market price. Yesterday we discussed selling around 2507, which did a fine job. But today we cannot expect a sell around 2407 again. Okay, this level has done its job, so this level is no longer valid for us. So today our next selling opportunity will come around 2412 to 2413. This is our next selling opportunity because of FIBO 61.8% retracement level, and along with that we have resistance around this area. Okay, so this is our first selling opportunity for the day if market goes up. And the second selling opportunity on the chart of gold is around 2517 to 2520. The box that I have drawn here is the second selling opportunity on the chart of gold because of FIBO 78.6% retracement level and resistance or strong price rejection around this area. So as the market's nature is sideways right now, market is little trend is confusing, so we are looking for trading opportunities on both the sides. So if market goes up, we can expect a selling around these areas, but as we all know, no level is permanent. If you see price rejection from above, then only hit the sell button. Do not trade blindly. We are traders, not gamblers. Keep in mind. And my dear friends, you guys must know that the world's most affordable forex trading workshop is starting just after 10 days. The Hindi workshop is starting after 10 days, and we have time left for the English workshop. But you can join now also. Till the workshop will be receiving free market updates, analysis, and many other things. So my dear friends, it's a 7 days workshop followed by 1 month support. In support, you'll be receiving regular market updates, analysis, and yes, we have also live sessions during important events. For example, tomorrow also we'll be having a session. So these are the topics that we will be discussing during our first 3 days workshop, and these are the topics that we will be discussing during our weekly classes. So there are total 7 classes, and after the workshop you'll be receiving all this stuff for free. And if you're in India, अगर आप इंडिया से बिलोंग करते हैं, then you must know that forex trading काफी मुश्किल भरा है. Okay, there are lots of complications in India, so we will be having a free session for the residents of India. Okay, and you can see if you join the workshop, you will be a part of the WhatsApp group and also Telegram community. Okay, I have explained already many times, and all the classes are conducted over Google Meet. If you're unable to attend also, no need to worry, I record everything, because I know because of time difference many people cannot attend. And as you guys already know that trading takes time. Sometimes it takes more than 1 month, 2 months, couple of months. So you can also sign up for personal sessions with me to clear doubts, ask questions. So you can go with semi-annual or lifetime. But if you only want to go for the workshop, then it's only $20 or rupees 1500. Means 7 days workshop, 1 month support. And if you're looking for personal sessions from me and WhatsApp support, then you can go with lifetime or semi-annual. Everything is mentioned on the website. These are the payment methods. Once you are done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group. Okay, now let's talk about gold again. So the best support on the chart of gold is around 2470. Not precisely, it can be 2471, 2472 also, because these levels always work as zones. Okay, so around 2470, 2471 area, we have the best support. But right now gold is trading $30 up. Okay, so this is our current market price. So right now, if you're looking for immediate trading opportunities, then as a scalper, okay, as a scalper, you can look for a quick buy around 2500 to 2498. Okay, you can look for a quick buy around this area as a scalper. How much you can expect in this market condition? Do not expect much. If you can get 20-25 pips also, that is decent enough, because your stop loss will be also 20-25 pips, means risk to reward ratio of 1:1. And later on, okay, you can also look for a support around 2494. Keep in mind, these levels are not very good, they are not very reliable, but still we are considering them because the market doesn't have much volume right now. During the US session, obviously these levels will not work, okay, because US session will bring volume. Right now we can see a small candle. Okay, when this candle will be big, obviously this will not work. But as a day trader scalper, you can look for a quick bounce around 2494, 2498 area. Okay, and during the day, if you see market is going down with small candles, then you can also look for a bounce around this particular area, 2485, 248687 zone. Okay, and observe the market first. If you see the market is standing at 248687 area, just switch to a lower time frame like 15 minutes to observe the market behavior. If you see market is showing price rejection from below, hit the buy button with a stop loss of 40 pips. Easily you can expect 40 pips. If you see the market has higher potential, then you can look for a risk to reward ratio of 1:2 or 1:3 as well. Okay, now let's wait and watch. Market is choppy, market is sideways, market is confusing right now. Okay, and you can expect the confusion till tomorrow. Okay, and this line was working as trend line, but I don't think this line is working anymore. Okay, and be careful, do not gamble with your capital right now, because market condition is not ideal for long-term trades. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.